Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to discuss 5 billionaire sign in Indian palmistry. So please watch the video very carefully till the end. Today's video is based on the Indian palmistry and one should carefully examine the hand. There are no lines coming from the mount of Mars. This is the mount of Mars and there should be no lines coming from and cutting the whole palm. If these kinds of lines present on the palm, then these billionaire sign get a big. So these lines should not be present on the palm. First sign is the money triangle, which is formed by the luck line and the business line and mind line. Such kind of triangle is formed, then this indicates that person has a money management skills and he knows how to uh, spend money to gain more profit or invest money in different areas of life or businesses so that he gain too much profit and he spends little, means he is not extravagant. So this is the most powerful sign of abundance. Second most lucky sign is the star sign. If the star sign present on the mount of Jupiter or the mount of Sun, just like this, then it will indicate that person has too much name fame in society and he will gain super success in his lifetime and he has extraordinary qualities, so he should be too much prosperous in his life by using his extraordinary qualities or talents. In the Jupiter mount, it shows the leadership qualities and person is too much dominating nature, but he controls the every situation in very effective manner and leading the society and give uh, valuable instruction to his team or society. So he should be maybe a leader. But the star sign present on the sun mount, it shows person has too much unique talent, creativity inside him and he uses it for creativity and he will be famous. He may be some kind of actor or some kind of businessman. He has a lot of famous name fame in the society. So this indicates a lot of success with name fame. Now we will discuss the third most powerful sign in palmistry, that is lotus sign. It may be present in any of area of our palm. It indicates lots of success and abundance in one's life and lots of money. Uh, Person may be too much spiritual and have the have business in groups. If you see such kind of sign or like this, then it would be the lotus sign. It indicates too much prosperity and high level living in society. It gives the native too much wealthy life and this person enjoys a life a lot. It indicates also that person is divinely guided. Now we will discuss the fourth sign that is very much auspicious, that is fish sign. Fish sign, if there is a fish sign present on the mount of sun, just like this, in this hand we clearly see a fish just like this forming on the mount of sun. It indicates the billionaire sign because the person has too much talent in creative knowledge, and he or she uses this knowledge by communicating to others, and such kind of sign gives native too much name, fame, and prosperity, and abundance also, but he has to face some kind of struggle in his life in initial stages, but after he overcomes the struggle, he got a stable uh, success and recognition. So this is also very good and auspicious sign if you have in your hands. Another billionaire sign is that if you found someone's luck line is starting from the bracelets and going towards the mount of Saturn, and this line has branches. One branch should be going to the mount of Jupiter. This is mount of Jupiter and this is mount of Saturn. And another line goes towards the mount of Mercury. If this kind of lines or branches present on the luck line, then it is the clear indication that person has a successful business and he got too much money from his business, and this is the sure sign of multi-millionaire or billionaire sign in one's hand. If one branch is going to the sun mount, then he will gain lots of money but also gain name, fame, or recognition. So this is the 5 billionaire sign which I have discussed in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share this video to your family and friends. I will be very thankful if you do. So keep in touch with me and press the bell icon for future notification. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.